Have you ever watched a stock literally crash from $2 to 35 cents in less than a year? That is exactly what happened with Datavault AI. And if you're trading right now, you need to see this. Seriously, grab a coffee, sit down because this chart is wild. Back in December, this stock was flying, trading above $2.60 a share. Then boom, it just started bleeding, red candle after red candle after red candle. Have you ever held a stock just would not stop falling? Like you keep checking your phone and hoping that it turns green and it just doesn't? That is basically the story of Datavault AI for the last 8 months. From that December high, this thing dropped almost 90%. 90%. Let that sink in for a second. But wait, it wasn't a straight line down. There were a few crazy spikes along the way. In January, there was a pop, then another pop in February, then a huge spike in April. But look closer what's happening right now. 12.61 million shares traded today alone. So people are definitely still paying attention. Right now, the stock is sitting around 34 cents, up almost 7% on the day. So here's my question for you. Would you buy a stock after it has already dropped 90%? Or does that number scare you away completely? Drop a comment and tell me what you had do. I actually wanna know. Because this is exactly the kind of chart that splits trader into two camps. Camp 1 says that it's a falling knife, stay away, don't catch it. Camp 2 says that hey, everything is cheap and once it drops this much, maybe there's a bottom forming. Which camp are you in? Be honest. Notice those little markers on the chart around April and May. Those usually mean earnings reports. Earnings can send a stock like this flying or crashing in a single day. That's why you see those massive green and red spikes right around those dates. It is basically roller coaster with no seatbelt. And look at the volume pattern. It was insane back in December, then it slowly dried up. Less interest, less volume. The price just kept drifting lower and lower. That is usually a sign that excitement has left the building. But today something is different. The stock is up and volume is picking back up again. Is this the start of comeback or just another dead cat bounce? Nobody actually knows, and honestly anyone who tells you they know for sure is lying to you. This is why I love breaking down charts like this, because the story is never boring. Every candle on this chart represents the thousands of people making decisions in the real time. Some are panicking, some are hoping, some are just watching for fun like us right now. If this kind of stock story is your thing, you are in a right place. I break down charts like this all time. No boring textbook talk, just real conversations. If you want to keep learning how to read these crazy moves, hit that subscribe button right now. Drop your predictions in the comments up or down from here. Let's see who is right. And I will see you in the next one. Let's go.